Why are you here? Have you come to gloat?
I don't indulge in trivialities. I'm here to ask you to check your bank account balance. I just transferred the sum of 3 million naira into your account. Same amount you gave to my girl to leave this town. Perfectly done. Now I'm warning you. Now that you've gotten your money, I don't want to ever hear that you threaten her to leave this town again. If you do...
What will you do?
I will forget that you are my sister. And I will deal decisively with you.
Chigozie, you're just a big fool. Honestly. I mean, look at you. A prince wants to settle for a junkie. A bloody junkie.
Oh, well, unlike you, I have someone who loves me truly.
Really?
Yes. Look at you. Who do you have in your life? Tell me, who? No one. You know why? Because no man in his right senses will want to spend the rest of his life with a terrible human being like you.
Really? Chigozie,
Hey, don't mention my name. Don't. Mind your business.
Okay.
Thank you.
I sold everything.
You mean you sold everything you set out to sell today?
I finished everything.
This business is really booming, oh.
It's working like miracle. Very soon, I'm going to open a branch that you control. You'll be in charge of.
You know, I'll be very happy to hustle beside you. So do it very fast because me too, I want to start hustling.
But that will be after the princess and the prince and the king take their eyes off you.
Yeah, that's true.
Mm.
It's okay. Let me go and get your food for you.
Business is good.
Praise God. Oh.
Honestly, it's very disrespectful of our son, bringing that junkie of a girl to stay in this palace with us, knowing whom she is.
I know. But what do you want me to do? I had to let it slide for the interest of peace.
Can't believe you do that or accept her to stay here.
The only thing that is constant is change itself. I still need him to get married to the princess. And the only way that can happen is to learn how to tolerate him even at the peak of discomforting us. I can't wait for the princess to return.
But tell me, are you really going to allow him marry that junkie? Are you?
God forbid. All I am interested in is the contract. Once I get it, even if he wants to divorce the princess, I will not object that. But you see that rookie player, that girl, it's no. He will never marry that girl.
I'm relieved now.
Baby, where have you been? I mean, I've been trying to... You're frowning. Is that it?
I want you to kill him today.
Kill the king.
Yes.
Ah, is that a joke or what?
I am serious. You have to kill him today. I can go home and get the gun for you to do that today.
Baby, chill. Okay? Take a chill pill. I want you to reduce your voice. Gently. Someone out there may have heard you.
Let the person hear. You have to kill him today. You just have to do this. I am tired of waiting.
What's going on, Lisa? Why the sudden change of mind? I thought I already explained to you why I can't kill him now. At least not now.
I don't care anymore.
I do. I do. Lisa. We can't just come into my room and change my plans. I have my plans already. I have everything mapped out, okay? All you have to do right now is to be patient.
Babe, you and I know that your father doesn't like me. And he will never allow us to get married. Not while he's still alive. I heard him say that.
Well, you don't have to bother yourself over that because he's going to die soon anyway. Oh, baby. My baby. Don't tell me that's why you're angry. Huh? You have to be patient. Patient and we big. Let's be patient and win big. Alright? Very sure.
Shame to the people.
Where you come and carry the things?
Okay, you haven't said anything now. How much are you selling the 2 bags?
Look at this boy. We've seen the content of those 2 bags. Now, some generator parts, big irons, and all these.
Okay, I have seen it. There are 2 bags. How much are you selling? Stop wasting my time.
Okay, give me 10,500.
10,000 for what?
10,500. I say 10,500.
10,500 for what? No, tell me now.
Dollar now is 1,000.
Am I the one that increased the dollar? Did I increase the dollar?
So it be
Okay, you're not ready for this business. I'll give you 3,000 each. That's 6,000 total.
For those 2 bags. I'm trying to make this thing easy for you.
Easy for me, okay? Do you know what I go through to do this business? Are you seeing the sun? The recycling company, do you know how much they buy from me?
I'm not there with you when you sell to them. That's why I'm telling you. Buy from this.
Okay, are you ready to sell or not?
Okay, give me 8,000.
Okay, 6,000. 3,000 each bag.
If those are booking, come now.
Okay, are you doing this business or not? Do you know what I go through? Do you know do you know what I go through to be doing this business? Do you see the sun and everything?
They do guys. Or if all these outside people come here now, they don't sharp, they don't carry the
Okay, 6,000.
6,000. This one now will make the work easier for you. You don't need to be going around picking things. You just carry the thing. Wow. You don't go sell.
Okay, are you taking 6,000 or not?
7,500 last. Just like that.
You're not serious. Okay, bye-bye.
Hey. Oluchi, you're sleeping. Oluchi, I'm back. Oluchi. 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 Oluchi, I'm back. Oluchi. 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 How you feel? Oluchi, bringing you here was a bad idea. The doctor said you have acute typhoid and they need to start giving you antibiotics immediately. But the money he's asking for is too much. He's asking for 25 to 30,000 naira. I told him I don't have that type of money.
25,000.
I don't know. So I suggest it's too much. That's what I'm saying. It's too much. I told him I don't have that type of money. So I suggest we go to that chemist, that pharmacy close to the house. Let's buy you typhoid drugs there. Eh?
It's okay.
It's okay.
We don't have that.
We don't have that type of money. That's what I'm saying. It is possible the drugs are even cheaper in that place.
Maybe it's expensive because it's hospital.
I don't know for them.
Let's go.
Wait, I have to hold on. I have to tell them to hold on. Let me call them.
Okay.
You'll be fine. Huh? Sorry. You need to get some rest. I'm sure by the time you wake up, the headache will go away. Yeah? Please. Sorry.
Thank you.
It's okay. You don't have to thank me. It's my responsibility to take care of you. Huh? Oluchi. Sorry. Get some rest. I'll quickly wash this place so I can make something for you to eat. Huh? Lie down. Get some rest. Get some rest. Come.
Who be that? I dey come. Angus. Alpha.
Angus. Chinedu, I'm older than you. I'm older than you.
Wetin come concern age for this matter?
I've been standing here for over 1 hour.
See this man.
You don't have respect.
Me and who suppose respect each other? Money no get, work you no get. I get work and I get money. Who suppose respect each other now? Abeg, no give me that leg this morning. No, wetin? Based on wetin you tell me, this girl no get family. She no fit seek help from her family people. She no fit leave everything for you
Chinedu,
now.
I told you on the phone that I cannot tell her. I don't want to bother her. My problems are too much.
No matter what, you still need to tell her. Very important.
It's not the right thing to do.
Okay, fine. What do you want me to do?
I want you to borrow me some money.
I should borrow you some money.
Chinedu, I want 5,000, please.
Very easy to say. I want 5,000. The last one I gave it to you, I never gave
I will give you now. I will give you.
Till when?
Chinedu, I know you've collected your salary because it's the end of the month. So just give me like 5,000 or 10,000, please.
Wait. You don't dey monitor me. Hey.
Chinedu, don't be an enemy of progress now. Give me this 5,000 now.
Now my second name. I like that name.
Chinedu, please.
No, they beg me now. No get. Give me the one I don't give you before now. Don't try me, please. It's inside there. I go just go back.
Chinedu, is it because my condition is like this? Eh? Wow, don't I give you money? Don't I give you money?
Relax, oh. You dey my working place. So calm down. Waiting. You give me money. Relax, oh.
So you're not giving me?
I no get now. Give me the one I don't give you before now.
Okay, no problem. Anyways, I have a phone I want to sell. If you have anybody that wants to buy, let the person come.
Phone? I dey here now. Now where they talk better. Anything buying, I'm interested. I'm in. So how far? I go come out, come see the phone now.
Chinedu, so you have money to buy a phone?
My business.
You don't have money to give me?
My business.
Enemy of progress.
I'll go find one. Tell her to seek help from my family.
My queen.
What are you doing?
I am trying to make dinner.
What about the cook?
I sent her out. My queen, I am trying to make something special for the family.
Oh, I can see how well you're preparing. You know what? I cannot wait to have a taste of your meal.
Oh.
Who did all this?
I did.
That's nice. Well done.
Thank you.
Color or something, so we'll enjoy it together. Let's see the kind of recipe she has.
Surprise!
Oh, she there.
She's in. Why don't we start?
Babe, have a seat.
Son, just relax. Your woman prepared the meal for all of us, so.
According to her, it's special.
Babe.
Nice recipe. She made a whole lot, according to her. So I'm here to enjoy myself. And I believe you will enjoy yourself too.
Babe, I made something special for mommy and daddy. And I am sure you like it.
I can't wait.
Oh, this looks so nice. Baby, you like it.
What? What's the
I
meaning
know
of
you're
this?
going to like it.
What is the meaning of this? So I can't have a decent food in my own house. Is this all I will be getting from the woman you're craving for? Where did you pick her in the first place? What is the meaning of this? I don't get it.
Mommy, it's very tasty. Just, you have to taste it before,
Look at-
mommy.
What is the meaning of this?
Mommy.
Is this how they chop tomatoes and onion as big as this?
Mommy, taste it. It's very nice.
Test what? Hey! Well, I should test it. Okay, you test it.
You want me to taste it?
Yes,
first?
test it. No, carry the big onion.
Mommy, it's very nice.
Hey!
I don't want
Who is this?
Get
Excuse me.
out! Out of
You
here!
are happy now that you spoiled quite odd, eh?
Father, please, please. Let me do this, okay? I'll take it from here, okay? Sorry, I'll take it from here.
Hey!
Get me the cook, and I don't want this to repeat itself again.
What is it?
What were you thinking? What were you thinking when you decided to prepare food for my parents?
What is wrong in making food for my prospective mother and father-in-law?
Oh, stop it. We both know you're a very bad cook. Besides, they have one in the palace already. What point are you trying to make?
Oh, please. I didn't realize the food would come out bad. Besides, I tried.
You tried? Did I hear you say you tried?
I tried.
Go. Go to the dining. Go have a taste of the bad rubbish you made there. Giving them more reasons to even reject you.
Oh, babe, stop. I am disappointed in your mother. Like, she saw me cooking and she never said anything. All of a sudden, she's condemning me. Babe, I don't even know who you are going to kill first. Between she and your father.
Enough already. Enough. You are becoming something else in this palace. You better take your time. Watch it. I'm warning you.
I see.
Sorry.
How are you feeling?
My head hurts so bad. Honestly, I don't think the drug is working. No. The drug is not working at all.
Oluchi, remember the doctor said you have malaria and typhoid. It's a serious situation. You don't expect to get better overnight. You have to keep taking your drugs.
I just think we should go back. Can't we just go back to that hospital? Let's go back to the hospital.
Oluchi, I don't suggest we go back to the hospital because the money they are asking us to bring is too much.
Okay. So maybe you should go to that chemist and tell him that I'm not improving at all. Maybe he will suggest something else because whatever it is I'm taking is not working.
Okay, I'll go and tell him. But I suggest maybe you need to get some more rest. You have malaria and typhoid. Like I said, you don't expect to get better overnight. You need to be patient. As long as you're taking your drugs and you're consistent with your medication, I'm sure you'll be fine. Sorry. I'll go and tell him. I'll go to the chemist now.
I am already in the palace waiting for the perfect time to strike. Yes, I am with the God. Don't worry, I can handle it. Yes. What did you just say? You mean the prince? He is with me on this 100%. It's just that he's delaying for some reasons I can't seem to fathom. But we are on the same page. Yes. No. I am looking at taking out the whole family. Not just the king. This is why I'm saying that you should give me some time. Please. Please. I will get back to you. Okay, thank you.
where do you think you're going to?
What does he look like?
Last time I checked, this car does not belong to you. So?
This car belongs to my man. And he is the one that gave me the car.
You lie! Return the key to him now!
Return which key to him?
I said you should...
Return which key to him? What are you trying to say? I don't understand you. Your character is becoming so annoying. Okay? What? You are so frustrating. I don't understand. I should return this key. Are you
Hey!
okay?
Lauren!
Are you mad?
Lauren!
You better talk to this your bitch never to talk to me anyhow in this house.
You can never do anything.
Really?
It's okay,
Yes!
It's okay. What's happening? Why are you stopping her from using this car?
The last time I checked, this is a royal property. And as such, a stranger like her does not deserve to drive this car. So she should return the key.
And who gave the order? I'm asking you a simple question. Who gave the order?
Answer him.
Lauren, listen to me. You are looking for trouble. Don't you ever try to stop her from using this car in this palace. And don't you ever try to talk to her again. You hear me?
Really?
Sweetheart, come over here.
Thank you so much.
I'm so sorry for the embarrassment, okay?
It's okay. It's fine.
I'm watching you. I'm not too far from you.
Bitch, you can't do anything.
I got you.
You can't do
247.
You started it.
It's me and you in this house.
You can't do anything, bitch.
Come on, don't man see the phone.
Chinedu, this phone is still very active. The value of this phone is over 200,000 in the market. This phone is almost a brand new phone.
I never see phone. They
Take
tell me
now,
value,
take.
value. So they take by your own things. Wait, so this phone where the screen don't scatter.
It's just the
back.
screen. It's just the screen.
Just.
It's just the screen. It just has a little scratch.
That's one of the talk. Make us check the camera first.
Chinedu, what is her? This phone is in perfect condition now.
Anyways, how much I will give you?
Chinedu, like I said before, the value of this phone is over 200,000 naira in the market. But because of my present condition, I need to take my girlfriend to the hospital. Bring 30K.
30K. So if I give you 30 now, you will collect. No, I have to make them 100K now.
Chinedu, what do you mean now? This phone is almost a new phone now.
You know, get eye. You know, say the phone don't scatter. See camera no clear. You know, get eye. See am now.
Chinedu, give me my phone. What nonsense is this now?
Buy your one now.
Hold on. Chinedu, put body now. But this phone is still good now.
See. Now because of say your woman dey hospital. Now make I dey consider you. I will give you 10K.
What?
I no try.
I
will give you 10K.
I'm not selling. I can't sell it.
Eh?
I can't sell it. What? This phone is over 200,000 in the market. What do you mean now?
200.
Yes, now.
Now today I begin buy phone.
You can go. I'm not selling it. Come now, Chinedu. What's wrong with you now? Give me this money now.
I don't pass this level.
No, I need to take my girlfriend to the hospital.
I don't pass this level. No be today I begin buy phone. I'm waiting. See, now because say be my guy, on the norms now 7K I supposed buy this phone. But based on say your woman dey hospital, so make I add.
Chinedu, take abeg, give me the money. Give me the 10,000. This is very wicked of you.
Take now.
Give me.
Let's when no get money, they calm down.
Somebody owing me 10,000 naira just paid me now. So I'll just, yes, so I'll just add it to the one I have, then I'll
Why were you going to
tell you what.
about the business you no longer do? Talk to me. How long were you going to hide it from me? I heard everything you told your friend. So I want you to tell me what happened to your business. Why do you no longer do it? What is the problem?
Oluchi, I'm sorry I lied to you. I had to say something. The guards from the palace came and destroyed everything. They took away everything I had. I just had to pretend.
And you didn't tell me? Why?
Olisha, I didn't want to bother you now. You're already going through a lot. I didn't want to bother you. I had to sell my phone.
You know you didn't have to make that sacrifice.
But you have to go to the hospital.
But you didn't have to sell your phone.
God will provide another one.
Mother, I didn't want to discuss this with Dad because I could barely recognize him with his decisions.
Is there any problem?
Yes, it has to do with the girl that came here.
I hope you're not talking about Lisa, all right? I mean, Lauren, when will you learn to mind your business and leave that innocent girl alone?
Oh, Mother, please. Stop this. Listen to me. Don't make me regret my decisions. That's why I didn't go to father in the first place. Calm down. Mother, listen. I overheard her speaking to someone over the phone. She's making plans on how to kill us all.
Lauren, are you sure you are right upstairs? Are you sure you've not lost it? I mean, what is even wrong with you? What is your problem?
Mother, can you calm down? Please, stop making me look like I'm a mad woman. Stop making me look like I'm insane. I'm not stupid. Listen to me. That girl is dangerous. She has a gun in this palace. We have to do something.
I'm sorry. How I wish you are making any sense here. That is quite unfortunate that you've descended so low by making unfounded and ridiculous accusations. Look, Lauren, let me tell you. Leave your brother alone and leave Lisa alone. And of course, you know there is something your father wants him to do for him. For your information, there is no way we are going to allow him marry Lisa. Just that for now, we just have to play along.
But Mother, you don't...
Until he does what we want.
No!
Please.
You need to see...
I said enough! Not one more word.
Okay. Fine. You don't want to believe me. It's fine. Cousin.
You'll never give up, will you?
Are you going to allow her do this to us?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you really going to allow Lisa to destroy your family? Our family?
Lauren, I still don't have an idea of what you're talking
Of
about.
course you know what I'm talking about. Spare me that bullshit. What do you mean? You know what I'm talking about, and you know very well that I know. What are you saying? You knew her plans all along, yet you welcomed her into this palace. Come on, brother. What charm does she have on you? Tell me, I want to know. What charm that made you to agree to eliminate your own family, your blood? How?
I don't know where you got your information from.
Okay.
I don't know, but I will advise you to be very careful how you accuse people falsely, especially those that did you no harm. Lauren, I don't know the kind of drug you take, I don't know your plug. I don't know the kind of drug you took that makes you hallucinate. But one thing is for sure. I will not sit down here and listen to the gibberish coming out from your mouth. I'm out.
It's not too late. You will regret this. Chigozie, it's never too late. Do something! No. Thank you so much for coming.
You sounded urgent over the phone, my princess.
Yes, that's because my life and that of my family are in danger.
What? Tell me, what exactly is going on?
I need your help before something terrible happens to my family. Please.
I can't do this anymore. I need to save myself. I need to save myself. Hello? Yes, I need you to come and get me. Yes, I am so sick and I urgently need to see a doctor. Okay. Yes. No problem, I'll send the address. Bye. Cheers.
Cheers, baby. It's a good life.
Of course.
I love this. Baby, you haven't still told me what you are celebrating.
I am celebrating a major win in my life. This day marks the beginning of good things, riches, and all I ever wanted.
Wow. So tell me, did you hit a jackpot?
A major jackpot. And I can't wait to enjoy it.
You can't wait to enjoy it. Huh? So, what about me? What then happens to me? Am I not part of the enjoyment?
You know, follow.
For real?
Yes, I am serious. You know, follow.
Why?
I gave you an opportunity, but you failed woefully several times.
Oh, is that it? But baby, you know we Lisa, what have you done? What have you done?
Dozie, trust me, I spared your life out of love. By the time you awake, I would be long gone and your family would be wiped out, just as promised. I am sorry. It's game over.
What have you done, Lisa? I can't feel my legs. Lisa.
I know you didn't see this coming, right? Iwe. You think you and your wife are wise? You guys hate me so much. You were never going to support your son to marry me. And I heard it all. Oh yes, I did. And you, princess my foot. Princess where they put mouth for waiting no concern her. They call you princess. You dey buga. See, make I tell you something, eh? If I see you for streets, you no go near me. I swear to God. You will never try it. But for this palace, now where you go do it. They call you princess. You dey buga. You all are going down.
I doubt that.
You doubt what? What did you just say? Okay, you want to go down before others?
Please, spare my daughter. Take my life instead, in place of her.
Oh, I should spare your daughter's life. Take mine instead, please. I should take yours instead. Who be you, Seth? Mother hen. Queen Elizabeth. That's who you are. Guess what? I am sparing nobody. Now, your last prayer. That's if you have any.
Please. Leave us. Please.
5.
I'm just a king, protected my kingdom.
4.
I'm just trying to save my people.
3.
Freeze! Drop that gun.
Oh no.
You're under arrest.
Ouch!
Hands up!
Officers, arrest her.
Officer, collect that gun.
Arrest her.
How dare you? How dare you point a gun at my father? How dare you? You see?
Your Highness! Your Highness!
You see?
Your Highness! I hope you're okay. You're alright. You're alright.
I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry, Father. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It was Lisa.
Yeah, when Lisa approached me, she suggested that we kill Father. Yes, she knew I'm the heir to the throne, so she said we should kill Father so I can inherit everything. That we can live happily forever after. When she gave me the idea, I thought about it. Though I was skeptical, but at the end, I accepted to do it. It was when Father made mention of the multi-billion naira contract that I had a rethink. I said to Lisa that Father is expecting a huge amount of money and that maybe we should wait until the money comes before we carry on the killing so that I can inherit the money and every other thing and then we can live together. She agreed. So I thought. But I never knew that even boosted our urge to wipe out
the whole family. I never knew. I personally invited disaster to come and destroy my family out of my own stupidity and waywardness. I've heard. Father, please forgive me. Forgive me, Mother, please forgive me. Sister, please. I know I've disappointed you beyond measures, but please forgive me. Find somewhere in your heart to forgive me. I'm ashamed of myself. Sister, please forgive me. I am not even worthy of anything. I am not worthy to be called a prince. I am not worthy to be named the successor to the throne. Father, please forgive me. I beg of you, please. It will never happen again.
Even you, Babi, knows that if not for that little favor that I am demanding from you, you would have been behind bars by now. You are a total failure to this family. And that you have become over and over again. I am ashamed to be identified as your father.
Dad,
I curse the day you became my son.
Dad, please don't sound that way, please. He's still your son. We all know he's a prodigal son, but he's here to ask for forgiveness. Please forgive him. I beg you, please. Gozie, I forgive you, okay? From the depth of my heart, I forgive you. I mean, this is the change I've been wanting to see in you all this time. I'm so happy that you've come back to your senses. Dad, please. Forgive him, please. For you to know that God is with our family, he made me to overheard our conversation. That's why I had to go to Onowu to report, because I didn't know what was going on. Please, forgive him. I beg you. He's still your son. Please.
Stand up. Stand.
Okay.
Larry. Honestly, I don't know where to start thanking you from. You really saved our lives. Thank you. If not for your bravery and wisdom, by now, we would all be dead. And I know it will not be an overstatement if I say that we owe our lives to you. What pains me most is that you tried to inform me on time, but I didn't listen to you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You'll be listening to me from now on.
It's a promise. God bless you.
Thank you.
As for you, Chigozie, you are my son, and you will always be my son. But you'll have to give me some time, long time, to deal with what you almost did to your father.
Yes.
It is heartbreaking. Very, very heartbreaking. I never think or even thought that you would do something like that.
You have to thank God. God don't want anything to happen. That was why God made her to hear everything. God is not sleeping. Please forgive me. Thank God for everything.
Disgrace to the palace.
Thank the God too.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
Oluchi, why are you staring at me? I expect you to explain what just happened. Who are these men outside? Even the other one asked me not to touch you. That hey, don't touch her. I tried to carry you. He said I should not touch you. What is going on? Who are they?
I honestly don't know how to start explaining this thing to you. But I'm sorry. Sorry for everything. I haven't been very honest with you about who I really am.
What do you mean by that, Oluchi? Who are you?
Mother, please, I beg you. Just let me go. Let me just go. I mean, that is the only way I can get what I seek.
Going there is risky, my daughter. You know how dangerous our society is now. I cannot send my daughter there where I don't have the guarantee of her safety.
I'll be fine. Trust me, I'll be very fine. I mean, you have taught me everything I need to know about survival. There's no way I can be whom you want me to be without me going out there and experiencing life on my own. So please, I'll be fine, I promise you. Mother, I'll be fine. You know why I have to go.
I understand, my daughter. I know. But let's send a guard or two with you. Let them guard you.
If you send a guard or two, it is going to defeat the aim of my going. Mother, see, nothing royalty should follow me out of this gate except my blood.
And you think I'll be okay with that? That's so difficult. I believe you know.
I know, but it is a sacrifice I have to make. Father, I need to go out there. I need to live on my own. I need to see things and experience things on my own. Besides, I'm tired of being friends with people and not knowing if they are there for me because of royalty or because of what they stand to gain from me. Let me go out there and live an ordinary life and see life through that channel. Please, just let me go. I promise you. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Mother, I'll be fine. Just be fine.
Collect the bag from her.
No, don't collect. No.
Collect that bag! Bring it back!
No! My bag!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Hello. Are you okay? What did you do to them? Why are they harassing you?
They just came at me and the next thing they collected my bag.
You didn't do anything?
No.
Hey! Thieves everywhere.
Hey.
They took your bag?
Everything I have is in that bag. Oh, God.
Hey, sorry. So what are you doing? Where are you going? Eh?
Sir, honestly, I...
You see, my name is Angus, don't call me sir. But where are you going? Speak up. This place is dangerous for you.
I actually don't have anywhere specific that I'm going. I just came and I have not even gotten to my destination. I was just passing through before they collected everything.
I don't understand. You don't have anywhere you are going. So where are you coming from?
I just...
You know what? Let me help you find your way.
Honestly, I don't have anywhere. The only thing you can do for me, if it's not too much to ask of you, is if you can just help me find something to do, a job or something. Because they've collected everything and I don't have... Sorry. I don't have anywhere to go and I don't have anything again.
Hey, you need a job?
Yes.
But I don't know you now. Eh? My only concern is this place is very dangerous. You see that place, that corner there. I couldn't enter there because I'm scared for my life. Eh? So you have to live here now. Let's leave. Hey, job. But I don't have any job to offer you.
What is it?
My queen, I'm sorry to disturb you. It's about the maid, our former maid that ran away. I've been thinking we've not been able to replace her with anybody. So I thought of bringing my sister, to see if she can get the job. She's my father's sister's first daughter. We're cousins, yes.
Angus, did I solicit your help in finding a housemaid for me?
My queen, I'm just trying to help because I'm a kind person, so I just decided to help the palace.
Did I ask for your help?
No, ma, but I want to help you, ma.
Then let her go, and never you disturb me about this again.
My queen, just like that. No problem, let's go now.
Ma, I can cook very well. Yes, ma. I am a very good cook, ma.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, ma.
Okay.
My queen, her mother used to cook for the Biafran soldiers before she died. So she learned from her mother.
Okay then. I'll put you to a test. If I find out that you lied to me, you are safer dead.
Yes, ma.
Go get your things in that case.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Wait. Does it mean I've gotten the job?
You have gotten the job. That is if you know how to cook.
Hey! Hey, but...
What?
The problem is that I don't have any bag and I don't know how to start explaining to her.
Oluchi, don't worry. We're going to go out and get bags for you. Don't worry.
Are you serious?
Yes. Oluchi, that woman is very wicked. For her to tell you to go and get your bag or your bags, that means she likes you. Yes.
Hey, Brother Angu. Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
Let's go.
I am the daughter of Igwe Former, the king of Umulelu Kingdom.
You're the daughter to who? Which king?
You don't believe me?
Oluchi, please stop this. What are you saying? What do you mean by that? Does that make sense? Oluchi, does that make sense? You are the daughter to who? Oluchi, listen to me. I don't know what type of prank you are trying to play, but it's not working. What do you mean you are royalty? You are the daughter of a king. How? What do you mean by that? Which king? King from where? You never said that before.
How can you be a daughter of a king? How? How possible is that?
Behold, the future of Umuleri Kingdom.
Yes.
The one true heiress to Igwe of Former dynasty.
Yes.
The successor to the great throne, Princess Orishi. You are welcome. You are welcome.
I thought I would never see so soon. You are welcome. Oh no!
Your Majesty.
Go and tell the town crier to hit the gong and tell our people that the crown princess is back to where she belongs.
Yes.
Consider you done, Your Majesty.
Do it today.
Right away.
Who is the man you came back with?
Father, his name is Angus.
Angus.
I will tell you all about him when we get inside.
Angus.
Igwe. Angus.
Come here.
You're welcome.
The princess of Umulelu Kingdom is back. Yes, my king. Someone passed the information to me this afternoon. Chigozie should get ready.
Chukwugozie.
Yes, father.
You heard him?
Yes, I did.
So you go out there and make me proud.
Absolutely. And make the kingdom proud. The prince.
Oluchi. So you have been lying to me. Eh? You have been pretending. Your father is a king. Your mother is a queen. You are a princess. And you've been hiding it from me.
But I tried to tell you at the hospital, and you didn't believe me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
But, Oluchi, are you normal? How can you have a rich father? Your father is a king, and you are working in that palace as palace maid, cooking. They're even asking you to kneel down. You should carry a chair on your head. What happened? No. Is this a dream? No, I have to be dreaming. I'm dreaming. It's not possible.
This is the main reason I didn't want to tell you, because I knew you would not believe me. You didn't when I tried to tell you at the hospital. So, I mean, I just decided to let you be until you see with your eyes.
Oluchi, princess, your father is a king. Your mother is a queen. You are very, very rich. And you are staying in that small house with me. Hey. This looks like a dream. But, Oluchi, do you know that nothing has changed? I know that you are a princess. Even if you were not a princess, I'll still love you. But I love you more now that you're a princess.
My son, you are welcome.
Thank you, Gwe.
Feel at home and enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Gwe.
Thank you so much for making my daughter happy.
Thank you, Gwe.
Daddy, you're so sweet, honestly.
Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
I make everything I buy and love
consider it done.
I'm here. Oh. I'm here.
Hey, Mom, don't tell me you've not stopped being jealous of me and Dad.
Jealous? You're taking my husband's love away from me and you tag with jealousy.
No.
Seriously?
You don't know, you are old though.
Me old? Igwe, are you hearing that? Am I old?
No, you're not old. Who said so? No, I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that. My son, forget women. Forget them. Can I know anything about your parents? Not yourself, man.
Igwe, I'm an orphan from Anweke village.
You didn't tell me that. I'm so sorry to hear it.
It's okay, it's alright. Igwe, I don't like to talk about this part of my life because it makes me feel sad.
Actually, I must have to know everything about you.
Oh, yes, Igwe. Igwe, some years ago, my parents and I and some of my siblings, we all went inside to sleep. So, one of my brothers forgot to turn off the generator, the Tiger generator.
Okay.
And unfortunately, the house caught fire. So I escaped through the window. My father and my other brothers, they tried to escape like me. Unfortunately, they could not. So the fire burnt all of them. If I hadn't escaped through the window, I would have died too. I found myself working as a gateman in that palace.
Where you met my daughter?
Yes, where I met her.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
Igwe, they dealt with me. They messed me up, Igwe.
Now, take me as your father.
Thank you, Igwe.
Nobody disturbs you again.
Thank you, Igwe.
I'm behind you.
You are welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Nobody will ever have to treat you the way they treated you people the other way.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you very much, Igwe.
You're in the right place.
Thank you, Igwe. Thank you.
I'm just coming back from the airport. I've given the agent the 10 million naira. No, you don't have to worry yourself. I'm waiting. Don't worry yourself. Yeah, no. Yes. I was just speaking with that guy that used to buy our goods.
Oh, okay, that's very good. Don't know who was here.
Yeah, where?
He just left.
Just left?
He dropped a message with me.
I was even going to call him on phone. Why leave in such a haste?
You don't know. Oh no, who said his pig gave birth that he's rushing to do the needful?
I don't know what pig, yeah.
But he said he did a background check on the boy.
Okay.
Yes, everything the boy said checked out. He's very clean.
So delighted to hear that.
So,
now we formally plan his marriage to our dear daughter.
Yes.
But for your information, I will give him half of my empire.
That's very good.
You are welcome to my palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I believe you came here last time with your father, King Udoka.
Yes, Your Majesty. He sends his regards.
Thank you so much. Now, what can I do for you?
Your Majesty, I came in respect of what we discussed the other time when I came with my father. I am here to seek your permission and a chance to meet with your daughter. The last time I came, you told us she traveled.
Yes, but she's back now.
I know. That's why I'm here.
You have to wait for some minutes. She stepped out with her man to buy something.
Did you say her man?
Yes, her man. She will soon be back. Wait for some minutes.
Your Majesty, thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm sure you will meet her one of these days.
Sure.
I don't know what is keeping her. Huh?
No problem, Your Majesty.
Okay.
I'll take my leave now.
Don't worry. It's okay. Don't worry. The next time you come, you are definitely going to meet her.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
I think she's back.
Oh.
That's where she goes. She's back.
Huh?
Yes.
Malama.
My beautiful princess. How was the shopping experience?
Igwe! Igwe!
It was fine, Father.
You're welcome.
Sorry.
He's here to see you.
It's Prince.
I know him very well. I also know the kingdom he came from.
Really?
Oh, Kwebi.
How?
It's a very long story.
I still want to get this straight. Are you saying that Chigoze is short of what he's saying? That the same princess of Humulari that were reported to have traveled abroad was the same Oluchi that was here as a maid? And then she is with Angus?
My God, this is unbelievable. I've been thinking about it since Chigozie said it.
I'm still finding it difficult to believe.
Wait. And that means all the while she was here as a maid, she is also a princess and a daughter of a billionaire. What baffles me is this. What was her mission coming here?
I wish I have an answer to that. But whichever way it is, I just want us to know that it is easier now that we understand who she is. And it is left for our son now to go to the palace to apologize.
It's a good suggestion, but I think it will be better if you and our daughter go with him. Yes. You know, Oluchi and our daughter get along very well. I remember on one or two occasions that our daughter helped her out. They wouldn't listen to her son, but they will listen to you and our daughter as well.
You mean you have been working as a palace maid for a man who I am 100% richer than?
Dad, you know why I left. I never thought I was going to end up as a palace maid. But I was waylaid by thugs. They took everything I had and I was almost raped.
What? Rape?
Mother, I have not told you people all that happened to me after I left this palace. But thank God they did not succeed. Instead, God sent Angus to save me. He then took me to his place of work, where he works as a gateman, and he happened to be Igwe Udoka's palace. I didn't have a choice but to take a job there because I needed a place to stay and I needed money.
So you mean that that boy that came here has been punishing you?
Dad,
Eh?
that boy and his father treated me so bad. I mean, they maltreated me. I can't even begin to tell you what I went through in that palace. Hey!
You have told me that I will lock him up here, never to see the sunshine again.
Dad, it's okay. Forget about him. I survived it all, and that is the most important thing. Anyway, now that he knows I belong to this palace, he will not come back again.
Not there.
Yes.
Hey, my son. I don't know how to thank you for everything you did for our daughter. I want to say thank you very much. God bless you. Your type is very rare.
Oh, my son.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Igwe. Igwe, if you want to lock him up, I can take you to his house.
Lock him. That boy's a big job. Excalibur, punishing my daughter.
What do you want?
Sister, you haven't still let go of the past and begin to relate with me as your brother. I'm wondering why you're so withdrawn. I know I've said so many hurtful words to you in the past. So many terrible things. But I'm asking you to find somewhere in your heart to forgive me. I want our relationship back as siblings.
Okay, I've heard you. But you still haven't told me why you're here, bro.
I like it when you smile to me as a sister. It feels so much better. Anyway, I must confess that you're a very good person. Very innocent. It baffles me. I mean, I'm marveled at the way you treated that maid. You have never hurt her before. That maid that turns out to be the daughter of a billionaire. Truth is, I've never had any feelings, and I still don't have any feelings for her.
Then why is that pushing you to her?
You know what it stands to gain? But that doesn't really bother me, though. What bothers me is that I've hurt that maid so much. And I want to change the perception she has of me. I'm ashamed of everything I've done to her. She didn't deserve it. So please, I'm begging you, accompany me to her. I want to beg for her forgiveness, please.
How? How am I supposed to go with you? You're going with father, so why should I go with you?
Yeah, I know I'm going with father, but I feel she will listen to you more. Please.
Okay. After pleading with her, what next?
You know it's not wise asking our son to go and ask for that girl's hand in marriage, knowing that she will not accept him.
There is always a first time in everybody's life.
Tommy, it's pointless.
Oh, hush. Hush, please. If not for the deadness and waywardness of your son, he wouldn't have been so wicked on that innocent girl. He cast all of that, and you will share in that blame as well.
How?
Why are you acting as if there is thunder in the sky? You were so mean to the girl as well.
How? How am I supposed to know that she's royalty? Please, I beg. Don't just get me involved in any of that. Don't blame me for anything.
Well, let me tell you one thing. You see that contract? I must get it. I must get that contract. So your son, that stupid son of yours, have to do all that he can to make me succeed in getting that contract from the king. I don't care how he's going to go about it. Even if I want to sell him to the king as a slave, I will not think again to do that.
You mean you sell a son because of money?
Of what use is he to us? He's already causing me pain.
Do you know, your head needs to be examined for saying that. And for that, count me off. I would not be part of this. Count me off.
Do not let me to call you.
Count me out. I'm not part of this.
I must get that contract. Oh yes, I must say that I'm happy. At the same time, I want to say sorry for this unannounced visit. It was because of my son's ordeal last time he visited here. I made I and my family to accompany him here. To my chagrin, Onyeze, I discovered that Oluchi here is your daughter. I am still shocked to the marrow.
Not just my daughter, but an heir and the future ruler of this kingdom. Yes. You and your family treated her with so much disdain. Yes.
Onyeze.
Ekenekwa gị. Ọ ga-adịrị gị mma.
Ị ma na ndị be anyị kwuru okwu si na agagide chọọ ebe ya bịanye aka na afro. Organic. I'm sorry for what we did to have treated her in such a disdainful manner. But the truth of the matter is this. If I or any members of my family are aware of her true identity, nothing like this would have happened. Trust me, which you are aware.
Onyeze, you don't need people's identity before you treat them good. All these my workers are very rich and so comfortable due to the way I treat them. But you and your family choose to treat the commoners with a very wicked way, which is wrong. But I swear with the old and new gods, if not for the plea of this my daughter here, your son would have tested my rod. Yes. Why must you treat people the way they are not supposed to be treated?
Your Majesty.
I'm hearing you.
I'm truly sorry. I'm sorry for the way I treated your daughter. Please, forgive me. I accept the fact that it is very, very ill-mannered. Oluchi. I'm sorry. Princess Oluchi. Please forgive me. Find it in your heart to forgive my wrongdoings. I'm so sorry.
My princess, please, forgive him. My brother these past few days has really shown that he's a changed person. You know, I was never in support of the way they treated you. Please, forgive him. I know what I'm saying. Forgive him. He's really a changed person. Trust me, he is.
I have heard you. And believe me, I have forgiven him.
Thank you.
Prince Gozie,
Thank you.
I have forgiven you. And I hope you will never go back to your evil ways.
I swear by the gods, I will never ever go back to those evil ways. I promise. I promise. Thank you very much.
I don't know.
Where you going? My friend, sit down. She goes.
You should be after the honey and the honeycomb. Yes, sir. I think let us not lose the sight of the bigger picture. It was out of excitement that you are seeing this spectacular performance. I'm on I don't know. Yes, I must say thank you very much for having gone this far in trying to bring back the relationship that was about going and ebbing away. I think now that you have cleared off the air, it is very important for me to tell you our intentions of coming here today. My son has told me his genuine intention to marry your daughter, Oluchi. That is why I say, Ona dimpa, asisi je, ejeru ejeru.
You mean your son want to marry my daughter?
Of course. He told me of his intention, and I said no. No, na dimpa. Osisi kwuru. Because I could be. That is why we're here.
It's a pity. It is too late. Yes. My daughter here has gotten a man for her life.
Yes.
And they are getting married in a fortnight.
Mm-hmm. Yes. I am his chosen bride. So you can take your proposal elsewhere.
Oh yes. I beg your pardon. I've been wanting to ask what this young man has been sitting here for. This idiot, this boy stole my staff of office, and when I discovered he started running when nobody was chasing him, has he come here to resume his activities in my palace?
Igwe, point of correction. I'm not a thief. I'm a chief in my village. Secondly, I did not steal the staff of office.
And that is very correct. Yes, I discovered the staff of office in my bag. He took the fall for me so that I will not be punished. And he has also admitted to things he didn't do in the palace, just to make sure that I don't get punished. So tell me, why will I not settle down with him? I mean, I have 1,001 reasons to marry him.
Yes. Did you hear them?
Yes.
You heard them right.
Have a confession.
I have a confession. A confession? No, I was telling my sister that I have a confession to make.
Huh? I'll make the confession now.
You're always confessing.
Father, forgive me. Angus did not steal the staff of office.
I knew it!
Neither did Oluchi. I did. Yes, no, it's not as if I stole it. I secretly placed it inside a bag. Yes.
Hey.
Just so when she is caught, my father will punish her and send her packing from the palace. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I'm sorry.
He's a disgrace to the palace. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder,
You don't have to go.
I see no ways.
Okay?
I doubt. Omumendieze adiroya naru.
Mother. Father. I'm sorry for everything I've caused you. I know there is nothing I can say or do now
that will make you regain everything I made you lost. Please let me go.
No, son. You don't have to go. Where do you want to go to? Please, don't go. Stay here. Please. Please.
I can't stay. I want to leave this kingdom to another kingdom far, far away, where nobody can reach me. I want to become a commoner, to dwell among commoners. I need to experience what life actually looks like outside there, where the normal protection and security of royalties doesn't lie. I need to go through hardship so I can learn how to survive on my own. Mother, I need to be a better man. A man that you and father can be proud of. A man that I can be proud of. A man that my sister here can be proud of. A man everybody can be proud of. But how do I become that man? I can't. I can't if I keep staying within the confines of these walls, or in the comfort of that which champions royalty. I'm sorry, I have to go.
No, son. Please. See, son, you can become all that. You can be the man you want to be staying here. Please.
Same thing I told him. You don't have to go, okay? Have a rethink. Please.
I've thought about it over and over again. And I have come to the conclusion that it is the only thing that will make me a better man, a more disciplined man. I'm sorry.
My king, please beg him to stay. You know he is our only son, please.
He's right. He is a man and has rights for his personal decision. As a matter of fact, this is the first time he is making decision ever since he was born. And I am challenged, I must say this. I approve of your decision, sir.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much. I hope someday you will still find it worthy of calling me your son.
I hope so.
I'm sorry, sister. I'm sorry for every problem, everything I've caused you. I'm sorry for the troubles and the worries. You'll see my sister. I'll see you some other time. I'm sorry, mother. I love you. I love you, mother.
Ihe je n'udo wee bata n'udo. Ọ ya dịrị mma Eke, Oye, Afọ, Nkwọ, Afịa na-anọ, ụbọchị na-anọ. Go, son.
Have you seen how Mr.
sing how funny life could be. When you think you have arrived, you don't know what tomorrow holds. It could land you in a place of regret. Life has many plot twists, and the choices that you make determines how it turns out for you. Life has many plot twists, and the choices